Welcome back to Artisticoder. Today we're applying HashMaps in JavaScript to solve real LeetCode problems. Let's see how this powerful data structure can save time and boost efficiency. HashMaps, or JavaScript's map, are perfect for coding interviews because they allow instant data retrieval with an average time complexity of O of 1. They are great for counting items, grouping data, and solving lookup problems. Let's start with the classic, the two-sum problem. Given an array, we need to find two numbers that add up to a target number. Here's how we solve two-sum with a map. We loop through the array, checking if the complement of the current number exists in the map. If it does, we return the indices. If not, we store the current number and its index. Simple and efficient. Our next example problem is called group anagrams. The goal is to group words that are anagrams of each other. We'll start by looping through each word and counting how many times each letter appears. This count becomes a unique key for grouping words. For example, the words eat, tea, and ate all share the same letter counts, so they are grouped together. Finally, we return all grouped anagrams as an array of arrays. So how did HashMaps help us solve these problems efficiently? In the two-sum problem, the hash map let us instantly check if a complement existed, cutting out the need for extra loops. For group anagrams, it helped us organize words by their character counts, making grouping fast and easy. In both cases, the HashMap's ability to store and quickly retrieve data was the key to improving efficiency and reducing the time complexity of our solutions. In the next tutorial, we'll cover tree data structures. A tree is a hierarchical structure that is used to represent and organize data in the form of parent-child relationship. Stay tuned. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Donations of any amount are also appreciated. You can send one via PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo. Details are on screen. Thank you.